Sir, what should I do to improve my English conversation skills? Please help me.
Oh sure, listen to me carefully, and follow my steps. Improving English conversation involves consistent practice and exposure to the language. Begin by engaging in daily conversations, whether with native speakers, language exchange partners, or through language learning apps. Watch English movies, listen to podcasts, and follow English news to enhance vocabulary and grasp colloquial expressions. Practice speaking in front of a mirror to build confidence and work on pronunciation. Join conversation groups or language meetups where you can interact with others striving to improve their English. Additionally, read English books, articles, or blogs aloud to enhance fluency. Remember, making mistakes is part of the learning process, so embrace them as opportunities for improvement. Gradually incorporating these practices into your routine will contribute significantly to enhancing your English conversation skills. Remember, mistakes are stepping stones, so laugh them off and keep going. Building your vocabulary is like collecting awesome tools, so learn new words and play with them in sentences. Speak slowly and clearly, like a superhero announcing their arrival, and don't hesitate to ask questions. Curiosity is your secret weapon. Keep things simple, relax, and most importantly, have fun. Find what you love in English, whether it's movies, music, or games, and use them to fuel your learning adventure. With a dash of confidence and a sprinkle of these tips, you'll be chatting like a natural in no time. So go forth, spread your English wings, and conquer those conversations. Dive into the world of words, collecting them like shiny pebbles on your journey. Each new one adds a sparkle to your vocabulary, ready to light up your sentences. Don't be afraid to stumble and fumble. Mishaps are just stepping stones to fluency. Embrace them with a giggle and keep on exploring. Confidence is your compass, so point it north and march forward. Don't let shyness hold you back. Strike up conversations, join online communities, even talk to the friendly parrot in the pet store. Every interaction polishes your conversational skills. Remember, the magic happens when you speak, even if it's just a jumble of ums and ahs at first. Keep those vocal cords warmed up, and soon you'll be weaving tales as captivating as campfire stories. But don't forget to simplify. Fancy words might sound impressive, but they can trip you up like hidden roots on the trail. Keep things natural, use easy sentences, and let your personality shine through. And remember, curiosity is your trusty lantern. Don't hesitate to ask questions, clarify doubts, and explore every conversational nook and cranny. Finally, the most important ingredient: fun. Learning English should be a joyful adventure, not a tedious chore. So turn it into a treasure hunt, where every new word is a sparkling gem, every conversation a thrilling quest. Find what fuels your fire: movies, music, games, anything that sparks your passion. Let it guide you through the English landscape, transforming learning into pure enjoyment.